to West Coast Bushcrafters basecamp. Today it's a new episode
and we're gonna check out the CASSTRÖM LARS FÄLT.
West Coast Bushcrafter basecamp. What happened there?
Well, I thought that we should have our own bushcraft camp. So we found a military tent from America, and we just put it up. It took 2 seconds. One, two.
Let's give a small tour.
Yeah, small tour. Welcome.
Thank you.
Noise.
Even an oven. And a pretty good view. Are you happy, Bushcrafter?
Yeah, I am. Pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Well, now it's time for CASSTRÖM LARS FÄLT. For those who don't know who Lars Fält is, he's a Swedish survival expert. And let's see if they've done the right job with this knife.
Time for some betoning.
Huh?
Fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
very good, very good.
Big deal. Fire with steel. They're only steel for me.
it works excellent.
Great for betoning.
It's a nice length of the blade, so it's not the compared to the other episode we made about the custom woodsman.
Yeah.
This has a better length, or it's easier to beton some bigger wood.
Yeah. And is it 4mm here as well, or?
Yeah, 3.5 or 4, I don't know.
No. We're gonna check that one out.
Yeah.
But no problem with betoning.
Not whatsoever.
Well,
good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how the knife performs with some feather sticking. Scandi blade. So normally for us that works really well.
My bushcraft knife. Bushcraft knife. Let's go.
So you can feather stick with it.
Definitely.
Ja, fina curler alltså.
No, that will work with fire.
Nå kommer det. Snyggt alltså.
Now I'm gonna take a piss.
Yeah. Hi Charlie!
We're gonna make some fire now with the fire steel. Let's see how the knife performs. After that, we're gonna make a campfire in here and make some food today as well. So, camp buddy, Lars Fält. And we got fire. I worked well. Spine is good. Casstrom has a good spine.
Yeah,
so
they know how to make a spine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, very good spine. Well, look at all this fog. I think it's gonna be dark soon.
Yeah, the boats, they use their horns. Hopefully it's not coming this way.
Let's see. That's no problem. We can always go in the tent.
Skål, Dami fan.
Skål. Skål. Well. Well, it's time to cook some food now. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. But I don't think we're gonna use the Lars Fält for prepping food, because you don't buy this knife for food prepping. But Casstrom have number 10 flat grind. It's a very good food prepper. So now I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna take crème fraîche, some ox fond, I think it's called.
Yeah.
And garlic. And this sauce, you can have it to everything, I think.
Yeah, it's the best barbecue sauce in the world.
Barbecue and everything. So please try it. It's called Dalby or Monica sauce. It's perfect.
Secret family recipe.
Yeah, very secret.
So for the rest we have some corn we're gonna fry. The onions we're gonna throw them in the fire. That will taste really good. Also a couple of spare ribs, and beside all this we have some bread.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some marinade on the spare ribs later on.
Yeah.
When the fire is
lagom. Yeah, lagom.
So I think this will be excellent dish for today.
Yeah, I think so too. So
let's
get started.
It's getting cold.
Yes.
And really foggy soon.
Yeah, look.
Time to go in into the tent, isn't it?
Absolutely. Start a fire, then eat.
Good stuff.
Perfect. Okay, let's start a fire here. Let's see how it works.
Nice.
Very nice. Ska jag lägga den där nu eller?
Jajamän. So the secret Dolby sauce, Kjetil?
Yes, and very important that it doesn't boil.
Okay.
Some, but not much. Smells very good. And the onions, are they dead or? Welcome.
Food is ready, isn't it?
Yeah, the food is ready. So grab a plate.
Nice.
Well, we could have had a little tougher time, and then we have just about now, I think.
Yeah. It's not so nice to eat a lot of meat.
No.
Good food. This was a really success shuttle.
Yeah, I think so.
Really
Yeah,
nice.
Very good.
Hope you like the combination of knife review and some outdoor cooking.
Yeah.
Talking about the knife, what do you think about the Lars Felt knife? Did he do a good job designing the knife?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great knife.
Mm.
I like the handle and what we call it, the spine works very well when we're gonna start a fire.
Yeah.
I like the Scandi grind.
Same here.
It would have been better if they have made it in CPM 3B or something, but
Then you're talking about the class.
yeah, then it's gonna be more expensive. I can
Yeah.
understand that, but
I think price quality wise, this is also really good.
yeah,
I
very good.
Casstrom is excellent in doing that.
Yeah,
Good price quality. I was amazed about the patoning skills today.
yeah, very good.
It has been a long time since I've used a knife and it split wood excellent.
Yeah,
Feather staking for me went really well today.
yeah,
Very smooth.
Mm.
I was impressed. I really like this knife. Actually, I bought it before I moved to Sweden,
yeah.
so I've had it with me quite some years now. Really happy. I think Lars Felt did a great job together with Casstrom.
Yeah, I think so too. And it's a really nice, good-looking knife.
Yeah, it is. The handle fits well.
Yeah, and very easy to sharp.
Yeah,
Easy to sharp.
that's a big plus.
Yeah.
Right.
So just if you're thinking about it, just buy one.
Yes, do that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ja, det är mye mat i munnen samtidig, og sånn. Gjør det nå.
West Coast!